Hello everybody, I am Jaideep Mundhra. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. We have manufacturing units in Jaipur, Rajasthan and in Hyderabad, Telangana. We make various PET cans from size 50 ml to 2000 ml. These are the beverage cans that we make in various sizes. There is a 500 ml can, a 350 ml can, again a 500 ml can with a flat bottom, a 350 ml can, 250 ml can. It's a 500 can with a petroid, and we print also on the cans. We can print the logo on the cans. 300 ml, 350 ml, 250 ml. These are all non-carbonated cans. These are the carbonated cans with petroid. Non-carbonated cans we have 100 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml, 275 ml and 350 ml. We also have 300 ml in this. We also provide a machine to seal the cans. We make various machines for various products. This is a beverage sealing machine. I'll demonstrate how a can is sealed. See, this is the printed can that we make. This is the printed can, a 350 ml printed can. I'm pressing the can and there is no leakage. The mouth opening of this can is quite wide enough so that a straw can go inside. We also provide full aperture cans. If somebody wants to fill ice creams in the same can, we can provide a full aperture can also. This is the machine. The output of the machine depends upon the feeding. It's a head rotating machine. The can remains stable. Only the machine head rotates. And the sealing is done. We make cans for confectioneries, dry snacks, dry fruits, chips, fox nuts. Cookies, jaggery powder, cereals, ghee, healthy snacking. We make these screw type cans also, in which the lid will be screw type. The can is sealed and then this lid is provided, which is screw type lid, so that the can be reused. We have various sizes in the same. For more details, please contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the description below. Thank you.